What is social media's impact on children and youth? Lecture is important for prelims and for mains. Why news? India should plan to set a minimum age to use social media platform. Florida, US passed a law that prohibits people under 14 years old from having social media accounts regardless of parental consent. इंडिया को सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म को यूज करने के लिए एक मिनिमम एज सेट करना चाहिए। यूएस के फ्लोरिडा स्टेट ने एक लॉ पास किया है जिसमें 14 ईयर्स से कम एज वाले चिल्ड्रन के लिए सोशल मीडिया का यूज प्रोहिबिट किया गया है। शुड चिल्ड्रन बी बेयर्ड फ्रॉम सोशल मीडिया? व्हाट इज सोशल मीडिया? Social media refer to digital technological platform that enable people to talk to each other, share information and work together. सोशल मीडिया एक डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर पीपल एक दूसरे से टॉक कर सकते हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कर सकते हैं, टुगेदर वर्क कर सकते हैं। अकॉर्डिंग टू यूएन, young people's connectivity globally is 79%. It means 79% people use social media account. A recent survey by local circles indicate that urban Indian youngsters spend more time on the internet, which causes growing addiction to electronic gadgets among children aged 9 to 18 years. As per the annual status of education report, more than 90% teenagers use social media. एनुअल स्टेटस ऑफ एजुकेशन रिपोर्ट के अकॉर्डिंग इंडिया में 90% से ज़्यादा टीनेजर सोशल मीडिया यूज करते हैं। रीजंस फॉर द इंक्रीजिंग यूज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया अमंग चिल्ड्रन। चिल्ड्रन के अंदर सोशल मीडिया का यूज क्यों इंक्रीज हो रहा है? नंबर वन, ड्यू टू पीयर इन्फ्लुएंस। टू कनेक्ट विद पीयर चिल्ड्रन ऑफन यूज सोशल मीडिया। The desire to fit in and be part of social circles motivate them to join popular platform where their friends are already active. Number two, due to educational opportunities. Some social media platforms often offer educational opportunities and content for learning. Children may use these platforms to participate in online learning communities, to access educational resources, and to connect with experts. Number three, parental permission and influence. In many cases, with the permission or encouragement of their parents, children gain access to social media. Number four, digital culture influence. As a digital age growing, children are drowning in digital culture. The prevalence of smartphones, tablets, and other connected devices make it easier for them to access social media, contributing to its increased use. Number five, entertainment and wide range of content. The platform offer a wide range of content, including videos, games, and interactive features. Children are drawn to the entertaining and engaging content available on these platforms. पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया ऑन चिल्ड्रन। चिल्ड्रन पर सोशल मीडिया का पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट क्या है? नंबर वन, हेल्प पीपल टू कम्युनिकेट। सोशल मीडिया हेल्प चिल्ड्रन टू कम्युनिकेट विद पीपल ऑफ सिमिलर इंटरेस्ट, helping build knowledge. Number two, develop critical thinking. Social media can help children to build critical thinking skill for future. Number three, helps to maintain relation. Social media help maintain relationship with relatives and friends who live far away. Number four, develop the art of learning. It helps individuals to develop and master the art of learning new things in life. Number five, created unprecedented opportunity. Social media and digital age have created unprecedented opportunity for children and young people to communicate, learn, socialize, and play, exposing them to new ideas and more diverse sources of information. Number six, solidarity and support. Sharing the story on social media may garner solidarity and support from the online community, which can be emotionally uplifting. Negative impact of social media on children. Number one, can create violent tendencies. Social media content can create violent tendencies among children. Children के अंदर social media content violent tendencies create कर सकता है. Involving the child in a social media dispute may have unintended psychological consequences, which causing additional stress and harm. Number two, promote cyberbullying. Young children, especially girls, easily become the victim of cyberbullying. Social media is the most probable source of this type of bullying. Number three, addiction of pornography. Pornography and social media have close link. Children's young mind can get easily addicted to pornographic material, affecting their academic life. Number four, can cause for mental instability. Children start living in a virtual world looking at social media content. This affects their future mental peace and stability. According to a recent study published by JAMA, means Journal of American Medical Association, revealed that teens who use social media more than 3 hours per day may have mental health problems. Number 5, can affect a child's social life. Excessive social media use can affect a child's social life. Social media is not a substitute for physical socialization. Number 6, hub for false information. Social media is a hub for false information. Children can be brainwashed easily through specific propaganda. According to a study of UNICEF, only 2% of children and young people have the critical literacy skill and they need to judge whether a news story is real or false. Number 7, negative impact on health. Social media addiction may promote problems related to aggression, concentration problems, memory issues, headache, eye and back discomfort, stress, communication difficulties, and even depression. Due to excessive use of social media, sleep pattern of children is affected. Number 8, financially dangerous due to illegal betting. Social media sites host various illegal betting pages. Children can potentially get addicted to such financially dangerous activities. चाइल्ड ऑनलाइन प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट इन इंडिया। इंडिया में चिल्ड्रन को ऑनलाइन प्रोटेक्शन गिवन करने के लिए कौन सा एक्ट है? सेक्शन 9 ऑफ द डिजिटल पर्सनल डाटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट (DPDP Act) deal with the processing of personal data of children under the age of 18. The section 9 places the following three conditions for processing children's personal data. DPDP एक्ट सेक्शन 9 के अंदर चिल्ड्रन जिनका एज 18 ईयर से कम है उनके पर्सनल डाटा को प्रोसेस करने के लिए कुछ कंडीशंस गिवन की गई हैं। नंबर 1, ऑब्टेनिंग वेरिफिएबल कंसेंट ऑफ पेरेंट। नंबर 2, प्रोसेसिंग ऑफ पर्सनल डाटा टू बी इन अलाइनमेंट विद द वेल बीइंग ऑफ अ चाइल्ड। नंबर 3, बैन ऑन ट्रैकिंग और बिहेवियरल मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ children or targeted advertising directed at children. International actions to protect young people online. ऑनलाइन यंग पीपल को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर क्या-क्या एक्शन टेकिंग किए गए हैं? Number 1, the Child Online Protection Initiative is a multi-stakeholder network launched by the International Telecommunication Union. Its aim is to promote awareness of child safety in the online world and to develop practical tools to assist industries, government, and educators. Number 2, initiative to end cyberbullying. The United Nations Children's Fund (UNICEF) has teamed up with social media platform to answer some of the most common questions about cyberbullying and give advice on ways to deal with it. UNICEF's Kindly initiative, which aims to end cyberbullying one message at a time. Number 3, We Protect Global Alliance Model. UNICEF support coordinated national responses to online child sexual exploitation in over about 20 countries. Using the We Protect Global Alliance model, strengthen the capacity to provide services to victims. Number 4, the United Nations Office on Drug and Crime for Human Trafficking (UNODC) support member states in their efforts to prevent and combat human trafficking, including through online safety activities and awareness aimed at children and young people. Number 5, Convention on the Right of the Child. Children's rights are enshrined in this convention. The UN Committee on the Right of the Child monitor implementation of the convention. Number 6, Internet for Trust Initiative. UNESCO is leading the global effort to develop regulatory solutions to improve the reliability of information on digital platforms when there are rising disinformation. This is PYQ related to this article.